Welcome to Millbrook Limited. This is a full transit 350 Trend L3 H3 130 PS with the benefit of air conditioning. Air conditioning is an extra on this vehicle. This vehicle has done delivery mileage and is obviously in a condition of which you'd expect it to be for a vehicle that hasn't actually travelled very far. Let's finish the tour. I'll show you the interior of the vehicle, the load area. These come with the benefit of a rubber mat that is supplied as new. We do ply lining if required, including wheel box covers. Interior of the vehicle. It's done, as you can see, just delivery mileage, and everything is as you would expect it to be. Hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much for watching.